Hi, this is Stux. Today I'll be teaching you an easy turmeric and ginger tea recipe. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Aside ginger, turmeric is a spice which is also known to help boost immunity and provide relief for cold and flu during winter season. However, when using turmeric in preparation of tea or turmeric milk, it is advisable to add some black pepper or edible oil such as coconut oil to it. This is to enhance the easy absorption of one of the main components of turmeric called curcumin into the bloodstream. Ingredients used for this tea include 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 star-anise, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1.5 liter of water. All you need to do is add everything into a pot, bring to boil and let it boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. Turn off the heat and let it cool before serving. Ensure you store in an airtight glass jar to prevent turmeric stains, and store in the fridge. To prepare a cup of tea, all you need is half cup of your ginger turmeric tea, half cup of boiling water, lemon and honey to taste. A warm welcome to everyone watching my video for the first time. To enjoy more healthy recipes like this, ensure you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post new video. And that will be all for today.